Hi guys, welcome to the Canadian New Yorker channel. So today I'm going to be walking on this trail. It's called Daniel P. McCoy Albany County Executive Trail. I'll just turn it around so you can see it. And turn it around. I'll show it to you later. So it's like 15 kilometers of walking. Goes from all the way from Albany to Voorheesville. So hopefully you can get some shots in so you guys can see it. Alright, later. Hey guys, so we're now making it halfway to our halfway point at the 4th mile marker. Hopefully if we get there we'll be halfway through here. This whole trail is 8 miles long. It could take you a day to get through. My first time doing this. We're not going to get through this whole thing. Hopefully we'll come back and we'll walk this whole thing. Okay, so hopefully it'll do well. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Alright guys, finally made it to the 4th mile. 4th. So, as you can see here, mile number 4 right behind me. Made it halfway. Woo! Or next time we'll make it through the
I want to do the 8 miles.
Alright guys, we got our way back now to the beginning of where we started. So far it's been a good walk. It took an hour to get to from the 1st mile to the 4th mile. So hopefully we can do this again. Yeah. Made it finally back to the beginning, and the name of this trail is called Albany County Helderberg Hudson Rail Trail. So this trail right here is 9 miles long. 9 miles. Hopefully we get a chance to walk the full 9 miles, and hopefully we get a chance to show you guys it again. So hope you guys, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.